Hey guys, it's Rebecca from Mama Bear Custom Wreaths. Welcome to my channel where we do wreaths and home decor and I show you how I do it all. So today we're going to make a really cute floral heart Valentine's Day wreath. I'm going to put this one on my mantle, I think, or on my mirror in my foyer, I'm not sure. But here's what we're going to need. A heart-shaped wreath base, some flowers, some cute roses, whatever flower you want, whatever colors you want. I'm gonna do mine the same color. Some hot glue, my glue gun, and I put a paper underneath just to catch the glue drops that are gonna be coming down from the flowers. I did take these flowers, I did some of the prep work already, and I started just pulling them off from the base, like so, because we will just be using the flowers. All right, so we're gonna start from up here. We're just gonna glue some glue drops on the two rings. Do you see that? One right here, one right here. And we're going to put our flower right there and hold it for a sec. Then we're going to continue next to it and add our next one. So we'll put a dollop right here and right here. And we'll hold it down. Okay, I'm going to show you guys again here on this side. And I put the flower in there first just to get an idea of where I want to put where I want to put the glue for the flower. So this is what I have so far, and there are 3 rings, so I'm going to be putting glue in the top ring and the middle ring right now, and then I'll show you guys in just a sec how we're going to do the 3rd ring and the middle ring. But to do that, I'm going to put you guys to view me from above so you guys get a better view. All right, I'll see you in just a sec. So let's keep adding our flowers on the top here. As you can see, or maybe you can't see, let me do it again. This is about how much glue I'm using. A good amount so that our flower is secure. And then we're going to keep going. See all that glue right here? That's why we have something to protect our table. And so we're going to put some more glue here. And just hold it down. Now for the center part, for these parts right here, we're not going to put the flower directly underneath it because there's not enough space in this wreath form. So we're going to put our flowers in between the other roses, okay? So adding this one here. We put our glue here and here. And just hold it. It's important to hold these in until the glue dries. So we want this one here. Just add it there. Already it's looking so pretty. So I noticed some of these aren't sticking all the way. So what we can do is flip it over and get our glue gun and glue it some more from this angle. So that it gets, we're sure that it gets adhered to our bar here, our wreath bars. Just kind of fill up. They seem pretty secure, but just to give it a little extra on there, you see that? Just add a little bit of glue there so that we know they're not gonna fall off. I like to make sure my stuff is really secure. So you don't have to do this extra step if you don't want to, but I just want to be sure my flowers stay on. So far this is what we have. Isn't that looking pretty already? So one little tip that I just picked up is that when I'm putting the flowers, I notice that sometimes they're not sticking as much the fuller it gets. So I'm adding a little bit of glue to the petals also, just so that they have a little bit more to adhere to. So I'll show you. I'm putting in my flower here, and I'll just add a little dab of glue right here, and then stick it to the flower next to it, and burn myself. Be careful not to burn yourself. And that just gives it a little bit more security, a little bit more where it's tying to, so it makes it a little bit easier. And I'm gonna keep going, guys. Okay, so we just finished gluing our flowers in, and this is our heart-shaped wreath. Look at how stinking cute this came out. And I was thinking about this. You guys can do this in all white for a wedding wreath. This would look really cute for a wedding, for a baby shower. It's just super fun. You guys can do any color, any kind of flower, and it's gonna look great. So if you guys like this tutorial, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Mama Bear Custom Wreaths. Check me out on all my social media. The link is below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks. Bye.